Hey, good to connect with someone who really listens to sound the way you do. Let me tell you about what daily life with the R-N800A feels like. This is for the kind of person who's done settling for muddy detail and lackluster depth. You're someone who notices when a track ought to breathe, and you've finally outgrown receivers that just get by. Before you go any further, pause and check the current price and stock, because something this complete doesn't stay available when people realize what they've been missing. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old gear began masking subtle harmonics, when vinyl sounded congested and digital tracks lacked weight. There's this quiet realization: your ears want more than just louder, they want true fidelity. And once you feel this level of performance, you never settle for compromise again. After swapping in the R-N800A, there was this immediate wash of relief. Suddenly, my system felt balanced. Dynamics opened up. Stereo imaging sharpened. Music wasn't just playing, it was alive. That sense of struggle against hiss and distortion? Gone. You feel confident in what you're hearing because this receiver handles both the softest whisper and the deepest rumble without breaking a sweat. Imagine this: you're unwinding with a late-night jazz record. The upright bass now has body in space. Cymbals sparkle with air around them. Vocals sit precisely in the soundstage so you feel in the room. Then you switch to a packed playlist, rock anthems hit with punch and control, and every nuance feels purposeful. It's not about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about the emotional pull each track now delivers. And this isn't just music. When you throw on a movie, dialogue feels grounded, effects feel textured, and the whole experience ties together like it was designed to be immersive. Built-in DAC? That's not marketing fluff, that's clarity you hear right out of the box. Phono input? Your vinyl finally gets the respect it deserves. If you're wondering about hesitation, maybe thinking, do I really need audiophile grade gear? Let me reshape that. Every time you look at weaker alternatives or cheaper receivers, you'll come back to this because it just feels right. The fear of settling becomes real the moment you hear what you were missing. One surprise benefit you might not expect: everyday listening becomes something you look forward to. You hit play and there's this satisfying sense that what you're hearing matches what you felt in the moment you chose it. Owning this changes how you think about your space. You don't just explain your setup anymore, you enjoy it. You walk in and the sound feels complete, not like an afterthought. That feeling of pride doesn't wear off, it deepens. Depth that pulls you in, precision that reveals detail, richness that fills the room, control that never feels strained. Every genre hits with intention. Cons? It rewards a little setup care. It's not the cheapest box on the shelf. At a certain point, you stop cycling through comparisons and choose the gear that already resonates with you. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you look back on and wish you'd done sooner. Check the price, see what's in stock, and make the move. Your music deserves it.